back to the Netherlands. Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm okay. Galing ako nagbisita kay President Duterte. And he's okay.
Vipinde, on behalf of the Filipino community of The Hague and all over the world, Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Happy New Year to everyone as well. And I wish everyone success, good health, and happiness, of course.
VP, is it okay for you kung meron ka man New Year's resolution for 2026?
Wala na, tigilan mo kayo. Wala na. Wala na akong New Year's resolution. Kasi sa edad ko, natutunan ko na yung mga New Year's resolution, hindi talaga siya nasusunod. Kaya hindi na ako nag-New Year's resolution. Yung sabi nila, New Year's resolution ko, hindi na ako mag-soft drinks. For 1 week. Pagkatapos ng 1 week, mag-soft drinks na yun. Kaya, old na.
VP, Inday, political
Ikaw,
question.
ano ang New Year's resolution?
Na to stay healthy na lang, VP. Yun.
Stay healthy, ha?
Oo.
Pero ang kuan, ang junk food,
Wala, no. Hindi naman palit. Hindi naman palit Japan. Slowly lang. Slowly.
ikaw, ma'am, anong New Year's resolution mo, ma'am? Wala na ito. Ilang araw lang, nalimutan na. Ikaw, ma'am, ano ang New Year's resolution mo? Ma'am. Yes. Para ano, para mapakita natin sa mundo yung mali na ginawa kay former President Duterte. Paano nililigpit yung ano, yung table kagabi?
Sa gilid lang, ma'am. Diyan. Pero yung may-ari dito, ma'am, gusto nila na i-remove muna yan because we are actually asking them to allow us to have it stay here. Kasi gusto nila na i-remove pero ano for...
May-ari, private ba ito?
Yes, for...
Ito na private.
Donea. Donea ang name ng owner. Kaya, government subsidized.
Oh, private na.
Okay, political question lang, ma'am. Nag-file na po ng impeachment complaint against PBBM. Meron po ba kayong reaction dito, ma'am?
Sa ngayon, wala pa. Hintayin natin ang mga sunod na mga araw.
How about the seemingly obvious filing of impeachment complaint against you for next month after the lift of 1-year ban?
As expected, dahil sila din naman na ang nagsasabi lagi na magpapile sila ng complaint. So, alam na natin yun na mangyayari yun. And as expected as well, magiging katulad lang din yan nung nakaraan na ginagawang fundraising ng mga members of the House of Representatives yung pagpirma nila sa it's all about the money dyan.
VP, recently the International Criminal Court Office of the Prosecutor, through their social media platform, released a statement asking or appealing to the Filipino people who are allegedly victim of the war of drugs to come out and be a witness to the charges filed against her father. What's your opinion to this move?
Attorney Nicholas Kaufman already gave a comment, no? So, his comment includes my opinion because we discussed it before he gave his statement on this matter. So, I reflect, my opinion reflects what Attorney Kaufman.
Is there something that the former president wished to share to the Filipino people, ma'am, for this year 2026?
Unfortunately, hindi kami umabot sa nagdamag siya sa mga anak ko, sa mga anak ko. Nagdamag siya sa mama. So, kamusta daw yung mama ko. So, pagkabukas. First day pa kasi. So, medyo all about personal affairs.
I think that, mayroon pa kayong question, guys? Ano?
Any topic po sa petition po ng Blue Ribbon Committee about sa corruption?
I reflect din the sentiment of masyadong, sorry, Blue Ribbon ito ng Senate pala, no? Hindi to ICI. Well, trabaho naman yan ng Senate at ang atin lang New Year's resolution dyan sa Blue Ribbon na